Hi, good morning team. So today we are going to discuss about the UI actions. So come to the point. So UI actions means what type of what are the functions that we do by the help of UI actions. So simply to say that UI actions simply to make by the buttons, okay, hyperlinks and list menus and context menus, okay. Let we configure the UI actions to make the more interactive of the UI are customized or specific to the user activities. So what type of activities are there? So that is the some functions. So those functions are, for example, if you want to set the our caller ID as a current logged user, so that type of actions, and our assignment group, okay, set as a service desk. So the type of actions let we do by the help of buttons or context menus, okay, or links. So those are the things let we do that. And generally let we do that, those are the CRUD operations, okay. So the UI actions mostly run on the, okay, server side, so server side scripting. So but there is a chance to working on the client side also. So there is an option is also there, client callable checkbox is there. So when we click on the client callable checkbox, then we should also that script, okay, so client side script is also executed on the particular that UI actions. So that is there. And come to that, so so UI actions point of view, what we are doing here, so that is the updations point of view, and resolve related and delete related buttons let we created here. And similarly to make the use cases, that is the create the request and create the change normal change request. So we have to create the menu items, okay, list menus. And we should also do that, show the some SLA timelines and repair SLAs. So for making the particular thing by the help of hyperlinks. So these are the types of, okay, actions we do in our UI actions. So come to that, so how we are created the UI actions. So let me take the some exercises. So those are the first use case is the, just let me created the our assignee to as a current logged user, okay. Assignee to is act as a current logged user. So now, so just have a look, just open our instance. So in our instance, go to the navigation menu and UI actions. So system definition UI actions are there, okay, just you have to choose the system definition UI actions. So in this already we have created the some UI actions, okay. So those are the UI actions are there, that is the create the task, okay, and assign it to CLU. So these all are there. And come to the, just create the new, create the new. So in that, so our main use case is the to create the okay, create the UI action. So that is the, just create a button of assigned to as a current logged user. So how we do that, this one. So just you have to mention the that name, that is the assignee as CLU current logged user. So in which table assignee as current logged user, that is the incident. So incident, and our order number is the just, for example, 90, and action name is also CLU. So later after these fields, there is some check boxes are there, that is the active checkbox is there, and show insert and show update. That means, so when this button will appear on a particular form, so that is the insertion of the records and updation of the records. So that means updation means existing record, while we are opening the existing records, that time also able to appear on the form of the our particular button, okay. So and there is a client box is there. So while we check on the particular client box, so then we are able to, okay, then we are able to write the client side script also in our scripting, okay. So that is the, that chance is also will given. Okay, while we are enable the particular checkbox. If you are not given that, then only able to write the server side scripting. So that is there. And now right side, so there are the almost eight types of buttons or links or menus. Okay, so whatever the UI actions are there, those all are eight types are there. So in that, form button is there. Okay, so if you want to create a button on the form level, so that is the form button, just you have to enable the particular form button. And context menu, so that means while you are going to this place and click on the right side click and configure option is there. So while we are click on the okay, that configure, so there is a your name. Oh, okay, that is the action name, so that action name will appear on the that menu list. And next one is the link. So if it is seems to be a only link type, so that is there. And list banner button, so list banner button means, so that is the list view already there. If you are opening the our incident all, so that is the list view. So in that list view, okay, so there are some bulk items are there. So if you want to put it as a assignee as a current logged user for bulk item, for bulk records, so then all the records just simply to um, okay, select those records and click on the particular button, then simply all the records are going to update at a time. So that is the benefit of list banner button and bottom button. So that means the banner button, list banner button means the button will appear on the upper side, and bottom means bottom side, end of the form. So and list context menu similar to that, and choice and link. So these all are the ways are there. Now let me do that. So our action is the, just let me do the first one. So and then, so that is the current dot assign it to equals to, that is the gs dot get user gs dot get user, and current dot update. So then simply to do that, so already in our material already exercises already there. Okay, current dot assign it to equals to gs dot get user id and update. And one more line is there, that is the set redirect url. So that set redirect url and set return url both are there. Okay, so now we are using the set redirect url also. Action dot set redirect url, so that is the current, and get user id, okay. So just code the format. And is there any restrictions, let they, okay, mentioned here, that is the some pink color box is there. What they said here, condition field should be specified to restrict the execution of this ui action to certain the users. So let you mention the, this button is only able to work out the which people, which role of the people. So you should mention, you should specify that. So that is the gs dot has role, for example admin. So this button only appear for only admin people. Okay, so that is there, that action is also there. And now 90, okay, overrides. Okay, now save this one. After saving of this one, just you have to open the new, okay, form or existing record, whatever it may be. So favorites are there, incident all is there, let me take that. And in this assign it to as empty here, so testing of submit one. Okay, so there is a button, so that is the assignee as clu. So but actually there is a here assign as CLU, just update it here. So just have a look here. So the ticket has reassigned to whom? So that is the system administrator. So when we click on this button assign as a CLU, then simply to reflect the particular system administrator here. And okay, so why they have mentioned this one? So that is the error message. Why? Because in earlier this ticket has already assigned to the assignment group of software. So in that software group, our system administrator is not there. Okay, but okay, so that's why that is override the particular thing. Okay, so that is overriding here. So that's why I will also clear the assignment group and simply to put it as our system administrator. So if the system administrator are already there in a particular group, then simply to okay, you shouldn't get this error message. But the system administrator is not there in our particular specific group, whatever we have mentioned in earlier in our assignment group. So that's why they will mention this one. Okay, the ticket has reassigned to something. And another thing is already you have write the one okay, business rule. So that is in our business rules point of view already write that is the assignment group or assignee 2, is there any amendments, then you have to mention that their okay, this message, just add info message, display the message. So in our display business rule already do that particular thing. So that's why they should mention also this one alert message. Okay, that is the this error message. Okay, so this is the way to assigning as our current logged user to the particular existing tickets. Okay, or whatever insert also, it is also doing the same thing. And now going to in this same one, so the button is available in this place. Now let me change that. So that is the just we have to checkbox. Okay, just disable this checkbox, and now this context menu, just enable the context menu checkbox, and again save this. Again save this. After saving of this record, now go to the this place and again open the our incident all and open the something. So this one, so some okay, is there any ticket, just open the is there any ticket. Let you observe this place. So assign it to, so no, this is not yes. So there is a some system definition UI. So already two. Okay, so this is the, so now go to this place, just refresh the button, particular button. So whatever the button we have created, so now that okay, now that will be disappeared here in our form level. So where the button is there, okay, let me see that where it is. So already we have taken that is being as a context menu. So now let you check this one. So that is the already context menu is there. In our context menu assign as CL. So while you are click on this one, this place again, so that is the some fields are missing here. So that's why it doesn't override that particular thing. Okay, so that is the inquiry, whatever it may be. So now caller ID also. So that is the able or something. Alan Rebecca. Okay. And is there anything? Okay. So now go there and assign as the CLU. So now just have a look here. So system administrator. Okay, while click on the particular context menu button, then again we will get, okay, again we should also auto populate our assignee to. So that is the context menu level. So now again let me do that. Another type is also there. So just open this one, assigning as CLU. Okay, and in this just okay disable the particular button and now put it as the form link. So form link, so how it appears on a form level. So just have a look here, form link, just save this. Okay, just save this. After this one, go to this place and just refresh this one, just refresh. Now let you check that. So the button is not available, assign as a CLU, and context menu you should also check on the context menu. So that is also disappeared here. Okay, it is not there. Where it is? So it is being as a link. So just go to this place, that is the, so this place related links already there. So this place is there. So that particular button is appeared on here related links. So if you are click on this button, then same thing, then that is the same function will also happen in our particular form. So that is the, okay, so that is there. So that is the form link. Okay, and now other types are also there. So again we should also disable this type and come to this the list banner button. So click on that and save this. So just save this. After saving of this type, so now go to the our existing records and okay, go to incident all. Okay, incident all, go to incident all, just go to incident all. So when we are going, okay, when we are going to incident all, then just observe the list view in our context menu. So, sorry, in our content frame. So that is the, there is a button assign as a CLU. So when the button is, okay, when the button is appeared as a list view, okay, appeared on a list view, so then there is a benefit, that is the how many are not having the assignee to. So now just you have to simply click on the those records. Okay, so just enable the those records. Okay, so these are the three records are there, then simply to assign as a CLU of the those three records, whatever it may be, how many are there. Okay, that means the, that is the benefit is there at a time. Okay, all are reflected. So that is the benefit of our list banner button, list banner button. Okay, form level it doesn't have, form level we shouldn't have the particular button, but list view level it is there. Okay, so that is the benefit of list banner button. And now go there, list bottom button. So just disable the this button and now click on the this one and again save the particular thing. So while doing the particular one, so then go to this one. Okay, so favorites, go to the favorites and incident all. Now let you check that upside is the button is missing. Why? Because we have to choose the bottom button. So just check on the bottom of the content menu. So there is a button. Okay, bottom. Okay, so assign as a CLU, now place it as a bottom. So that is the same thing. Is there any are not having the assignee, so then simply to click on the those okay, those records, just enable the those records. Okay, just select the those records and assign as a CLU, just click on the that particular button. So then these all are getting at a time that assign as a current logged user. So those functions we do here. So that is the one type. And now go to that and in which types are there and list context menu now. So now disable the this one, another type is there, that is the context menu is there. And now save this record. Okay, now save this record and now go to the in our incident all again. So now have a look here. So there is okay, that button is not okay, that button is already disappeared on a top of the list view and bottom of the list view. So where it is there, so then simply to make it here, so that is the our, so just select this one and select this one, and now go to the this one, so configure view, okay, or this one, this place. So the, okay, so filters, okay, group by, show, refresh, no, this place maybe, yes, yes, this place. So configure is there na, okay, configure, show context menu here na, assign it to filters, no, group by, configure, list layout, okay. So just let me check that is it updated or not. Workspace from workspace form button and workspace form menu, okay. Let me check that, just save this record, okay, save this record. Now go there and refresh this. Filters group by context menu, where is the context, yes, group by here, no, okay. Actually in our list context menu point of view, maybe it doesn't appear here, it will display on the particular place, this place, but it shouldn't be reflecting here, might be some updation problem or something like that, okay. Generally it may also appear as a same similar type of the context menu, form context menu, okay, that is there. And list link and list choice, so these all are the same list point of, okay, list level, they are also appearing as the our particular buttons, okay. So that is there, list choice, list link. So just have a look here. So list link means this place, assign as a CLU. So context menu form list context menu is also appeared as a similar to the form context menu, but here that might be that particular option might be disappeared on a this way. That means the while we are opening this way, so there is missing here. That is the context menu point of list level. Some of the options are not available, so that's why it shouldn't be reflecting on that particular place. So that is the benefit of our UI actions. That means whatever the work or whatever the things you have to do it, so those all are done by simply to uh, simply to selecting of the particular button or list or link, whatever it may be. So in which way we have to representing on the particular thing. So while we are click on the particular button or any list, okay, or link or any menu point of view, so then simply to make the those functions. Okay, so that is the benefit is there. And now here one of the example is there belonging to, okay, client side also. Client side script also will be taken here. So that is the, so the same function, so whatever we have to do in our earlier one, so the same thing will also happen by the use of the client side script. So that is the on click auto assignment. So that is the, just have a look what is the let me take the one function. So that function is the auto assignment, and now we have to apply the this one. So that is the checkbox enabled. So when we are click on the that checkbox, that is the so this checkbox is there. Okay, so that checkbox is client checkbox is there. So when we click on the that client checkbox, then you have to, okay, you are eligible to write the client side scripting on the script template. So that is the, what is the script is there. So that is the, so this is the script is there, just simply to make the one small function and glide user API and glide form methods. So just we have to create this one. So what we do that here, so that is the, so function auto assignment. So that is there where user equals to g underscore, sorry, g underscore user dot get username na, get full name, get full name. So g underscore form dot set value. So that is the caller ID, for example caller underscore ID comma usr g underscore form dot set value method work nodes underscore nodes set as CLU. So set as CLU. So that is there, such as assigning to me. Okay, set as, okay. And now we do here. So in this, assigning is replacing with caller. Caller as CLU. Now just disappear this one. Now put it as the form button. Okay. And now, is there any changes? Let me do here. Okay, there is no errors. Work nodes gone. Work nodes, okay, set as CLU. Okay, just save this. Yes. Now going to this place, just So now open this one. So now I have created a one small button, that is the caller as CLU button. So now when we click on this one, so just click on that function. Might be the same place will be there. Incident, okay.
So, మనం స్క్రిప్ట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఏదైతే ఫంక్షన్ వాటికి పాస్ చేస్తామో అది ఆన్ క్లిక్లో కూడా మనం
ఎస్ ఎస్ ఆన్ క్లిక్లో పెట్టాలి కదా, ఆటో అసైన్మెంట్ కదా.
కాపీ చేసి పేస్ట్ చేస్తాం. ఫంక్షన్ చేసి
ఆటో అసైన్మెంట్, ఓకే. ఆటో అసైన్మెంట్. So now we have to write the only client side scripting. Okay, so by the help of enabling the particular client checkbox, client checkbox.
దానివల్ల విధంగా క్లయింట్స్
Client checkbox. It is going to be struck. So favorites, history, UI actions. Okay.
Sir, maybe it being told that over the regulator, we are not unable to process
Role, no?
because of the sir, please review condition. This is fine, sir, I think.
Function auto assignment.
Sir, back is not organized, sir.
Thought that when we created the new one, that is fine for us, but we should replace, simply to replace that is fine. Yes, caller as CLU, okay, now reflecting here. So there is a small errors while we are writing the scripting point of view. So that is the on click function, you must be mentioned as the on click function. Okay, so then by the help of client script also do the particular things in our UI actions. Okay, so actually it is running on the only server side scripting, but sometimes we are able to work out the client side scripting also. The thing is, when we are able to click on the particular checkbox, that is the client checkbox. Okay, so that is there. Now update it here. So thank you guys.